So, Isaac, you had an idea. Tell us what your idea was.
Putting a GoPro in a dishwasher machine.
Why would you want to do that?
Because then we can watch what happens.
Okay, so Isaac had a really good idea to put a GoPro in the dishwasher to see what happens when you turn the dishwasher on, what happens inside. So we did just that, and I have the video here, and we're going to show Isaac it, and Isaac is going, so this is going to be an Isaac Reacts. So Isaac gets to watch this video for the first time. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's okay, you can get excited about it.
Actually, the blades don't go very fast.
Yeah, I thought they would spin faster, but they spin really slow, don't they?
Yeah. What happened that time?
So I think this is the pre-soak cycle. So this is where it like kind of just gets everything wet and soapy.
Now it's going more faster.
It goes a lot faster. See how fast that's going? It's not going fast, but it's shooting the water harder now.
Yeah, that could probably cut your skin. Well, I think it could. Now the clean water's coming up.
Yep. What's the clean water doing?
It cleans the dishes.
It rinses all the soap off. It's interesting because the soap in the dishwasher doesn't create suds, huh? Doesn't create very many bubbles. What happens if you put regular dish soap in a dishwasher?
It could probably not work very well.
Yeah, you'd have soap bubbles everywhere.
Yeah. Then we would have to use the clean water first. Now I know what those holes are for. They're for drains.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what they connect to.
What do you think they connect to?
I don't know. I think they connect to the water recycle or the environment. So those holes at the bottom clean the bottom dishes.
Mm-hmm.
And the one at the top cleans the top dishes.
All right.
I don't know what those I don't know what black thing is?
So the black thing around the bottom, that's a heating coil. That heats up the water to get it super hot. And I think it also helps when the dishes are getting dried. I think it helps dry the dishes.
So it's off right now.
Yeah, it's off right now. I didn't want it on because I didn't want it to get too hot for the camera.
How did you do that?
I was opening and closing the door.
So I'm seeing the bottom right now.
Mm-hmm.
I can probably see the blades a little bit because the water's moving too fast. Yeah, the water's moving too fast. That's why I can't see the blades too well. So the parts of the dishwasher actually have a coil at the bottom. Some dishwashers have the coil at the top because some of the blades go up there too. Yeah. We could probably put our GoPro in the dishwasher with all of those dishes dirty.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
That would definitely be interesting.
We should try ones that are very dirty. Then we could see it clean up.
Alright, we'll do some dirty dishes later.
Very dirty. I can see the camera's light.
Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah, it's reflecting. So that's when, so the GoPro lights are pretty for seeing in the dark. So
Yeah, I had to put a light in there, otherwise it'd be really dark.
let's try it without the light, and then
If I didn't put a light in there, you wouldn't see anything. It'd be black. What'd you think?
pretty cool. What
Yeah.
if we put a person with goggles on in the dishwasher?
I think that would be dangerous
Why?
because there's not much room in there, and I don't think you'd be able to breathe very well.
Then we could put a very big oxygen tank in there.
You think it would fit?
Yeah.
I don't think the dishwasher would work then. Where else should we stick a GoPro?
We should stick it on the top.
Do you think we should stick one in a washer machine?
Yeah. Do you know what would happen?
What?
It would spin round and round.
That would be cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.